Good morning, students. So our today's topic is parity bit. So first of all, we should understand what is parity bit. The definition of parity bit indicates that it is an extra bit which is added into the binary data to make the total number of ones in a binary data either even or odd. Parity bit is basically used for detection of error in data transmission. So now, through example, we try to understand what is parity bit. So basically there are two types of parity, even parity and odd parity. So what is it? We should understand it through example. Here in this slide, we have taken the data as 101101. In this binary data, the count of one, number of one is 4. So 4 is basically even number. So even parity indicates that if your data has the count of number of ones is even, then it is called as even parity. Whereas if the number of ones in a data is odd, then it is called as odd parity. And parity bit is nothing but extra bit to make it even or odd. For example, here in this slide, firstly we have this data 101101. So this data has 4 ones. So if you want to make the data should be even parity, then it is already even. So 101101, it consists of 4 ones. So we don't want to add anything. That's why the parity bit is 0. Whereas in case of odd parity, we have added the extra bit should be 1. So now the data is 10110111. So number of ones is now 5. That's why it is called as odd parity bit. Now we try to understand this concept through transmitter to receiver data transmission. For example, we have 2 computers and we want to transmit the data from transmitter to receiver. So here we taken the 7 steps. At the first step, during the data transmission, at the transmitter end, we consider that the data is 4-bit, 1011. So we have generated the parity bit for even data transmission. So already data is 1011 means number of ones is 3. So it is odd. So now in third step, data with parity bit. If you want to transmit the data through even parity, the extra bit, that is parity bit, should be 1. So our data is 1011. So there are 4 ones. It is even data now. After that, we transmit the data through wires. When the data is received towards the received computer is 101111. After data is received, data is firstly checked. Parity present in the data is checked. So the count of 1 is received is 10111 means there are 4 ones which is even. So at the sending end we have sended the even parity, and at the receiving end also we have received the even parity. That's why there is no error in a data. So data is accepted, which is an original data 101. How the error is detected? For example, we have sent the data 10110010. So during transmission, the data is changed. When the data is received, if the data is received as 10110011, in that case, the number of ones in the transmitter size is 4, which is even, and the data which is received, the number of ones in the received data is 5, which is odd. So parity check failed and there is a error is detected. That's why like this, using parity, the error is checked or detected. So parity bit helps to detect error during data transmission. If even one bit changes accidentally, parity becomes incorrect and an error is detected. So what we take away from this point? Parity bit is a simple but powerful techniques for error detection in computer network and communication system. Thank you.